everybody, this is Pooh Bear, and we just got done with our last adventure for the night, and we're home already. Little tad bit on the last adventure. We go down the road to check out the train trestle where the lady supposedly died, and we get there, and there's fog on the way there, like a misty fog, like they say. And hear a train whistle blowing, and Shabear decides to check out the train trestle, and you'll watch the video, and he gets a little too close to the train, almost doesn't make it across the train bridge, the trestle. So it was pretty emotional, scared me, scared Shauna Bear really bad. You'll see at the end of the video probably, or come out crying. We didn't know exactly where he was when the train came, so we were sitting in the car, and it was quite unnerving. It was upsetting, to say the least. So just kind of letting Shabear know how much we love him tonight, and wish he wouldn't take such big risk all the time. I mean, he does it for you viewers, and you know, we like to do stuff kind of different, but tonight was a little too close for comfort. So watch the video, you'll enjoy it. I mean, he is safe and with us still, so we got a lot to be thankful for. So enjoy the video. Pooh Bear out.
Okay, we just turned on Trestle Road. Now, this is what Pooh Bear was talking about, that this woman, go slow honey because I'm not sure where it is, apparently was on this train bridge, which is a trestle, of course. I don't know why I tell you guys this, you guys know this, but was on a train bridge, and a train was coming, so she either had to jump down to this road or stay on the bridge and get hit by the train. So either way, she was going to get hurt or killed. Apparently, as legend has it, or as the story goes, that she ended up getting hit by the train and killed. Now, some of the stories on the internet, which like I said, I will put a link below in the description, that the story goes that I guess there's cold spots and a fog or a mist by the bridge, and when you get on the bridge you may even hear footsteps. And I just seen a car up there, and well, there's a bridge of some sort, but it wouldn't be a train bridge with cars on it. But apparently you can hear footsteps and stuff. So we are on Trestle Road right now, so we're going to wow, there's fog.
Yeah.
What is that? Look. I hope this camera's picking that up. You see the fog?
Yeah, I see the fog, honey.
What's wrong?
Nothing, it's just weird.
Slow down, slow down. I hope this camera's picking that fog up. Or mist. There's a bridge. Look, there's a bridge.
Yeah.
Okay, so I guess if you get up there you can hear footsteps. But I do see a bridge. Oh wow. Oh wow. Is that a highway bridge? This camera, because I'm not running a night vision.
We're out of fog.
We're out of fog. We went out of the fog or mist or whatever. Now granted, it is cold, so you know, that could be debunked as just natural fog. That is a train bridge.
Yeah, it is.
That's a train bridge. And they said mist and fog like. That's the trestle. We found the trestle. Oh my god, Pooh. Oh my god. I'm gonna roll this window down. Okay, I gotta unplug this off the recharger. See if I can get the light on this. Okay, the light's not showing up. Okay, I might have to get the... Okay, go ahead and pull on up here and kind of pull off into this grass right here. and we'll get out. Go ahead and pull off into this grass right here. And we'll get out. That's the trestle. Oh man. And I'll turn the night vision on and we'll go from there with the night vision. Okay, so we're going to get the night vision out and vision this and night vision this for you. What's up, Boo?
Not much.
What's the matter? You sound like you're about ready to cry back there.
No, just a little scary, and Pooh's biggest fear is bridges.
Really?
Yes.
Well, you don't have to go on it. I can go on it.
I don't know if you'll be able to get up there, honey. We'll see.
I'm Shabear. I climb castle walls, remember?
I know you do.
Alright, well, the light's dimming in the car, so... Alright, we're gonna get out here, and... I'm gonna see what happens. Okay. Shabear 1000 here. Okay, we just heard a train horn. Of course, there's train tracks. Now, let me turn the big IR light on. Let me get it here, find the switch. Sorry about, I got this crappy camera again, and this is just the IR that is built into the camera. I brought the big, well, it's not big, it's like 36 infrared lights on it. So, there's the batteries, where's my switch? Hang on a second, guys. Oh my God, did you hear that? Wow, the train trestle is making noises. There we go. We are underneath it. I'm gonna see if I can find a way around to this. Get up on top of this somehow. Let me find my flashlight, y'all. I don't know if the camera's not picking. I am definitely hearing something. Let's see here. I can't. Alright guys, let's do this. Oh, sorry about that. Now, Pooh Bear just informed me she didn't want me up here because she heard that train horn. Well, if I ever get attacked by a train, folks, I will just step to the side. Like I said, once again, sorry about the focusing. And because I am hearing footsteps. Because the camera is crappy. I mean, it's a $100 camera, but it's not worth the money. Okay, we are. Okay, guys, I'm not as young as I used to be. We are on the tracks. And this is the trestle that supposedly this woman was killed on. Now, I say supposedly because I'm not saying anyone's lying. I'm just saying that is the stories. I can't prove or disprove it, but I do know that stories do get. Can you guys hear that train? Stories do get told. I'm trying to find the car. I do hear. Can you guys see the car? No. Can you hear the train? I'll be quiet for a second. Oh, I see the lights. Shit. Fuck. I do see the lights of the train. I gotta get the hell down off here. Somehow, guys. Shit. I'll videotape it. Oh. Okay. Can you guys see the tracks? It's gonna be close to us. Okay, here's the tracks. There comes the train. Wow, that's weird that we got off of here and that woman supposedly, yeah, she really had no choice. There comes the train. I'll see if I can get him to blow the horn if he sees me. You hear the tracks? Oh my God. This whole thing, shit. This whole thing is vibrating. This is scary. See where I'm at. Guys, if you can hear me, I gotta get down off of here. This thing's rumbling. That's just weird. That train, you know, did come up on me real quick. So there is some credibility to, if she was up there on that, we're right underneath the train. If she was up there on that, she wouldn't have been able to get clear across to the other side. I'll walk you over there. I hope you can hear me. Let me get down off this hill. She wouldn't have been able to make it. As you can see, I ran and barely made it. Now, so there is some credibility to that part of the story. So, wow. I gotta jump, hang on. Oh my God, that was way too close, y'all. There's the Buick. Wow. The big IR light went dead. Ooh, ooh, it's okay, I'm alright. Alright, so, it's okay. Old Pooh, or little Shauna Bear, it's okay.